Hey, what's going on, everybody? Here we are, finally back on the water. I know it's been a little while, so sorry about that. Just been real busy with work and then spending time at home and a little bit of traveling. So just glad to be out here today and hopefully get on some fish. Today we're gonna start off at the flats and then probably move over to the bridge as that wind kind of dies down later on today. I'm gonna spend about 5, maybe 6 hours on the water, so hopefully we can make something happen. It's end of March. It's Friday, March 29th. It's about 9:15 this morning, and we're gonna see, you know, what it looks like out here. So maybe some bait already moved in. Hopefully, I know the Spanish have moved into the bay, so I'm assuming some bait has moved in if they're chasing that down. But either way, we're gonna give it a shot today, and hopefully we can find them. Y'all stay tuned. It looks like we got a little bit of stain on the water, probably from all that rain we got earlier in the week or last weekend. So we're just gonna see if these redfish or trout are hanging around on the flats, grassy areas, and we can get them to bite. Temperatures were about low 50s this morning. It's gonna warm up to 70. Let me stand up here and seeing some spots for some fish. There's some bait fish there. That's a good sign. There's a redfish right here. Spooked him, man. I mean, way too close with the kayak. I think I see one. There's one. I see one about 20 yards in front of me. There we go. We'll see. I think I tapped him. He wanted nothing to do with this. Ah, spooked him. There he goes, wandered off. All right, y'all, quick update. We worked the docks and some flats here. Saw some fish. They didn't want to chew, so we're making a move now. We got some boat traffic, other anglers in the same spot, so gonna turn it around, do some trolling, and then probably stop at the sandbar. Maybe hit the ledges there around the sandbar and then head over to the bridge and do some jigging. It's almost 11. I think we can push down the bridge, come back, and then probably still have time for the flats. That was just the structure. There's something. There's something there. Come on, buddy. I think that's a black drum. Finally. Yeah, gotta be a black drum. It's not ripping. Normally redfish tends to take off pretty quick. Trying to keep them from pulling us back into the bridge. He's gonna come up. You gonna come up, dude? There he is. Goodness. He is huge. Wonder he ain't giving up. Look at this guy. Oh, we saw the kayak. Don't like that. Let off just a tiny bit. We can pull this dude up. He's still got some energy. He's not giving up. Oh, I snagged him on the fin. Not intentional. That's why he probably feels pretty big too. There we go. Let's see don't know if I want to net this guy. Let's see if we can all right, dude. Don't break my line or my rod. All right, we got him here. Let's pop off this hook. If he pops off the grips, we'll be all right. We got him. Did not mean to snag this guy, but we did. Come on. All right, we got the hook out. We'll show him off and then we'll let him go. Don't twist, buddy. Love it, love it. I'll check him out. Come on, dude. Oh, oh. These are always fun. Thanks, buddy. Even though I snagged you. He's gone. Heck yes, dude. So real quick to set up, I know he didn't eat this lure. We snagged him, but they have eaten it before. This is a 4-inch paddle tail Zman, 1/2 ounce jig head. I got 25-pound fluorocarbon as leader to 20-pound braid, and then the rod is a 7-foot Shimano Clarus. It is a medium fast action rod, and then the reel is a Daiwa BG 3000. So they got the job done. We're gonna keep at it and hopefully we can find a redfish. Let's work along here. See if we mark anything. Smells very fishy over here. Oh, already. He ate that sucker on the way down. Gotta be a redfish, I think. Maybe. But talk about some luck here. Come on. I want to keep him away from that structure. He ate it. Looks like a black drum. Yeah. There he is. He definitely chomped that. Look at that. That joker crushed it on the way down. Oh, oh. There we go. I might net this guy. It's a little on the big side, but he'll fit in the net, I think. There we go, barely. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Easy, easy, big boy. Nice. If I can find my fish grips here, we'll get you unhooked, get you back in the water, show you off, and let you go. Let me see here. There we go. All right. see here. Let's get a good shot here, and we'll let him go. All right, come on, buddy. Always something. A little bit smaller than the last one, but still a nice one. Y'all check him out. Thanks, buddy. Hey. Heck yeah, dude. Good day. Those guys are always fun to catch. Here they come, look at them. They came around. Here they go. Oh, she's got a baby. Probably just out here swimming. Look at this. Let's see if I can stand up. Wow, look at that. A little, not newborn baby dolphin, but a little bit smaller dolphin for sure. That's pretty cool. There's that dolphin right here. See if we can get him on video. Check him out. Right here. That is super cool. All right, y'all, making my way back to the launch now. I'm just super glad I was able to make it out on the water today and managed to find a couple black drums, so made the trip worth it. The flats and the docks were a little bit tough today. Conditions did not help whatsoever. I think we're getting there to where the fishing's really gonna pick up. It's just not quite there, at least today it wasn't, but hopefully we can get back out on the water soon. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this one, and I'll catch y'all next time.